Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by gathering two files, the main image and a depth map. Open your 3D wallpaper app and import the PNG immediately. You want to preserve resolution for crisp depth. Next, load the grayscale depth map. White means foreground, black means background, so the software can displace pixels correctly. Once done, set project canvas to match device resolution and enable parity for orientation. This ensures motion reacts smoothly to tilt and scroll. You now build the depth structure by splitting the image into at least 3 layers: foreground, midground, background. Use the app's lasso or mask tool to isolate subjects, then feather edges slightly to avoid hard seams when displaced. Paint or adjust the grayscale depth map so nearer objects are lighter. Assign numeric depth bands, for example foreground 80 to 100, midground 40 to 70, background 0 to 20, so the engine interprets distance consistently. Make sure to preview motion while refining values. Finally, export the package in the app's required format or as paired files with identical file names so the wallpaper engine recognizes them. Install to your device, apply to home and lock screens, and test by tilting, scrolling, and switching apps to observe parallax behavior. If motion looks harsh or jitters, reduce parallax intensity and add subtle blur to edges in the depth map. This smooths transitions. If color shifts occur, enable sRGB export and double-check resolution matches device specs.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.